Welcome to SoCal Training Team. This training is called Business Tip for Residential Facilities. I want to talk a little bit about corporations and business entities because a lot of people ask me various questions on how they should set up their business. I'm not giving you business advice as far as what type of entity to set up, but I do know that you should set up some type of entity opposed to being a sole proprietor. There are quite a few entities that you guys can set up in order to run your business effectively and ensure that you are maximizing your income potential and also being able to reach out for resources as being a business entity. I'm not going to give you what type of facility you should set up as far as the business type, but I'm just going to review the different types of corporations and LLCs that are available to you. First, we'll talk about the C-Corp. The C-Corp, the basics of it is you're taxed twice. The business pays taxes at the corporate level and the shareholders pay taxes on the income received. There's no restrictions regarding citizenship or residency of shareholders, and there's no limit on how many people can own shares. And then owners may get preferred stock, which comes with no voting rights, but priority to dividends before common shareholders. For an S-Corp is only taxed once. Only shareholders pay taxes on profits received. It is limited to 100 shareholders who must be U.S. citizens or residents. And then finally, owners can only get common stock, which comes from voting rights. For an LLC, LLCs do not pay taxes on their profits directly. Their profits and losses are passed through to members who report them on their individual tax returns. I like to call an LLC basically a sole proprietor on steroids. It is a corporation. You can also elect to be taxed as a corporation. So that's one thing you want to keep in mind. So those are the three that I'm going to review. So you have to choose which one you want to open. Quite a few people ask me what type of corporation they should open for their business. I am not a professional in that field, so I always recommend that you go to someone that specializes in corporations. So you might want to go to your CPA or some type of financial person that is more of an expert, because each corporation that you would like to set up is going to depend on what type of business you're running and how much income you're generating as well. And they're the experts. The summary is, at the end of the day, the best thing you could do, one of the best things that you could do as a company, is set up some type of entity besides a sole proprietor. You want to ensure that you set up some type of corporation in order to, number one, protect yourself from liability, and number two, present yourself as a more professional company, and number three, it will also give you more access to funding when you're looking for it. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video at SoCal Training Team on business entities. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.